Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
We are fine, ma'am. Thank you. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm also good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So tell me the first thing that why we all are gathered here.
Today is part of plant.
Very good. To take some knowledge of parts of
Plants.
Okay, very nice. See, what is this?
Tree.
This is called a large tree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो. See, what is this?
Stem.
Called stem. And what is this? Branches. What is this?
Branches.
Okay. Plant kingdom, you know all very well. The plant kingdom is two parts: angiosperm, gymnosperm. Okay.
Yes.
First of all, tell me about this. What is this? This is florical part. This is
Florical part.
what is this?
Leaves.
What is the main process of plant? Yes, tell.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is the main process in the whole plant. Okay. Why is the green color of this leaf?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Why is the green color in leaves?
Chlorophyll.
This is the main thing that we can know about color of plants. Okay. See, the tissues in plants, like our body. Like our body our body is made from cells of groups. Yes.
ma'am.
Like this, also plants tissues are available in this branch. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, do you know all things about parts of plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Thank you.